Hello, my name is James Leach, and this is my Ninja Kitchen review. So, a brief overview of this game. Um, this game has to deal with basic health concepts, somewhat maybe of a safety code type situation in a food setting. So, the image you see in the middle of the text here, is the basic layout of the game and how it basically kind of operates, what you will see when you play this game. The figure in the red circle is your character, so that's who you're controlling. The figures in the blue circle and the yellow circle are basically your coworkers, so they're working along with you. When this game starts, they are not in the kitchen; it is just you. And then as more things get added into the game, um, your coworkers are added as well. So the figure in the yellow circle, that is where you drop vegetables or fruit items that need to be washed. So you'll take items there that have a bacteria on them or that maybe just need to be washed, that come straight from the store, getting rid of any bacteria. The character in the blue circle is who you take washed vegetables and washed fruit to slice them up. So if a character wants pineapple or a customer wants a pineapple sliced, you first have to take it from the fridge right here by clicking on it, then taking it over to the character, your coworker in the yellow, and handing it to them. They will wash it. You pick it up from them and then take it to the character in the blue circle to chop it. You will then serve it to your customers, which you'll see in a later image, but they line up along the counter off to the left here. So in this lower image, you can see the characters or the customers here on the left in the blue square. These are your customers. So how you know what they want is the thought bubble that appears in front of them is the item that they are ordering. So the person in the lower part here is a burrito, next up is an apple, next up is a pizza, and finally the top person customer is chopped up pineapple. So that's the scenario I described earlier. Learning that is involved in this game. For myself, it was more of reinforcing concepts that I already knew to dealing with health, washing vegetables to get rid of bacteria when you get them from the store, washing your hands after you touch maybe trash or food that may have bacteria on them. Basic health concepts and kind of health food safety concepts is what was relayed to me throughout this game. Um, Also, something maybe a little bit more in depth about this game was kind of some organizational skills. So, for instance, to serve a pizza, you first had to put it in the microwave, which is in the upper right of this picture, wait on it before you could serve it. While all of this is going on, you can have the customer with the apple, you could be serving them. So, if you look at your character, they have two trays here. You can have one item on each tray. So for some time management or organizational skills, you could get both of the items out of the fridge, take the pizza to the microwave, and then take the apple that's on your other tray to the customer and serve that customer. Then go back, get the pizza, and serve the pizza. So those are just some kind of organizational skills that I kind of noticed as I went throughout that helped me be more efficient playing this game. The learning principle that I chose for this game is amplification of input principle. So for me, this game was very, very simple. It was controlled by the drag and click of a mouse is all you had to do. Most of the information or actions past that were all done by the computer, by the video game technology itself. So for very little of effort that we put into this game, or I did, you get a high reward information output coming out. So I thoroughly enjoyed this game. I think that you could implement it into a basic health concept or a health class, health education, physical education classroom to inform, I would say, probably an elementary level student on washing their hands, getting rid of bacteria, and just maybe figuring out some of those basic organizational skills that I mentioned. So thank you very much, and I hope you all have a good day.